Bonjour. Today we are going to see how the plusque perfect tense is formed. The plusque perfect tense is otherwise known as the pluperfect tense. It is formed with the imperfect tense of either avoir or être in the auxiliary and the past participle of the given verb. So, if we add the imperfect tense of avoir or être in the auxiliary and the past participle of the given verb, if we put them both together, you will get what is known as plusque parfait. Now, the only important thing is that you should know all the rules of the passé composé, because the same rules of the passé composé will be applicable to the plusque parfait. In the plusque parfait, only the tense of the auxiliary will change. That is, in the passé composé, we had the present tense of either avoir or être. Here in the plusque perfect tense, we are going to have the imperfect tense of either avoir or être plus the past participle, and the same rules of the passé composé will be followed. Now let us look at a few examples. The first example which I have taken is nous parlons à l'homme. We speak to the man. Here your given verb is the verb parler. Your given verb is the verb parler. So for parler, we have to get the past participle. The past participle of parler is parler, P-A-R-L-E, acute. So don't forget your acute accent. Now, if we want to put this sentence, nous parlons à l'homme, in the passé composé, then we would write, nous avons parlé à l'homme. You look at the blue letters, that signifies the present tense of the verb avoir. Parler is not reflexive, parler is not intransitive. So parler will take avoir in the auxiliary, and if you don't know this, please refer to the video on the passé composé. So parler is neither reflexive nor intransitive, therefore parler takes avoir and avoir in the present tense for the formation of the passé composé. Now if we want to put the same sentence in the plusque parfait, then instead of avons, we will write avions, nous avions. You look at the difference. The blue letters are the present tense of the verb avoir in the passé composé, avons parlé, and the plusque perfect you will have nous avions parlé, the imperfect tense of avoir plus the past participle of the given verb. You go to the next example. Il choisit cette pomme. The given verb is the verb choisir, C-H-O-I-S-I-R, and the past participle for the verb is choisi, C-H-O-I-S-I. The passé composé, if we were to convert il choisit cette pomme into the passé composé, we will have il a choisi cette pomme. Here also, choisir is neither reflexive nor intransitive, therefore choisir will take avoir in the auxiliary. Present tense of avoir plus the past participle will give you passé composé, while the imperfect tense of the auxiliary plus the past participle will give you plusque parfait. So, il a choisi cette pomme, if we were to convert it to the plusque parfait tense, it would read il avait choisi cette pomme. Now, going on to a few other examples. Nous allons à l'école. Nous allons à l'école. Your given verb is the verb aller. And this is an intransitive verb. And if you recall the rules of the passé composé, all reflexive and all intransitive verbs will take être in the auxiliary. The past participle for the verb aller is aller, A-L-L-E, acute, don't forget your accent. The passé composé is formed by the present tense of the auxiliary and the past participle of the given verb. So we shall have nous sommes allés à l'école. We have gone to the school. So, since aller is an intransitive verb, it takes the present tense of the verb être. Être and the present tense with nous is sommes, S-O-M-M-E-S, to which we add the past participle of the verb aller. And here you have to make the agreement, because all verbs which take être in the auxiliary will have to agree in number and gender to the noun or to the subject pronoun with which they are conjugated, in this case with nous. Nous is masculine plural, therefore we will add an S to the past participle. If we are to convert the same verb to the plusque parfait tense, then we will get nous étions allés à l'école. Nous étions. If you notice, only the blue alphabets or the words in blue have changed to red, which signifies the auxiliary of the plusque parfait. So from nous sommes, it becomes nous étions allés à l'école. If you do not know the formation of the imperfect tense, please refer to the video which I have already sent you. Coming to the next example, elles se lavent. They wash themselves. The given verb is se laver, and this verb is a reflexive verb. All reflexive verbs will take être in the auxiliary. Past participle of the verb se laver is laver, L-A-V-E acute. Don't forget your accent. The passé composé is formed with the present tense of the auxiliary, in this case the verb être, so it becomes elles se sont. Your reflexive pronoun will be written before the auxiliary, so elles se sont laver, L-A-V-E acute, with an es for agreement. Now why do we put es for the agreement? Is because L is third person feminine plural. So to make this agree in the feminine plural, you will have to add es to the past participle. And if we were to convert the same sentence to the plusque parfait, then it would read elles s'étaient lavées. They had washed themselves. So L-A-V-E acute es, same agreement, only the tense of the auxiliary will change. So I hope you would have understood this plusque parfait, because it is very important for the third lesson for you. Merci, au revoir.